早上好 Hi, morning. Today our vocabulary is 跳舞跳literally means jump. 舞 means dance. Jump, dance. Dance means 跳舞. So you are going to write the characters 2 lines and 3 times and make sentences. Michael Jackson 跳舞很好 Michael Jackson 跳舞很好 What does it mean? 什么意思 Right. Michael Jackson dance very well. 好，下一个听音乐听 means listen. 音乐 is music. Listen to music. 听音乐 The example Miss Joe gave is 我喜欢听 Taylor Swift 的 Don't forget 的 means what? Yes, that means Taylor Swift's music. 我喜欢听 Taylor Swift's music. 我喜欢听 Taylor Swift 的音乐 What does it mean? What's your sentence? Next one. 书 Remember last week we mentioned 看 has different meanings according to the context. It can mean read. It can also mean what? Can also mean watch. If it combines with 电视 TV or 电影 movie, right? 我每天都看书。我爱看很多的书。什么意思 What does it mean? 我每天都看书。我爱看很多的书。Every day I all read books. I love to read a lot of books. 我每天都看书。我爱看很多的书。好的，谢谢，再见。